FXN Show, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, what I wanted to do is I wanted to answer the questions that I've been getting and the messages that I've been getting about the next class. And so this video, I'm going to answer all those questions regarding the next class so you guys are aware of what's going on and everything that's coming with it. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it guys. You know, I've been lucky enough to have students that have turned in a lot of homework over the years for me to grade, to see, to tell them, advise them, and things of that nature. And because of that, I've been able to essentially collect data about different setups, about different structure points, and things of that nature regarding our strategy. And so it's allowed me to essentially refine every year, be able to refine the strategy for the mentoring program and make it better, make it easier, put in more details that I think are important, and take out stuff that I think is not that important for trading this specific strategy. So I feel that we have gotten to a point now to where I can put together a course that could be kind of like a final edition, final version type of course. And so what I like to call moving forward these classes is going to be the FXN Masterclass, because this is going to have as much details as I can. And we've made it in the sense of adding everything that you need to be successful with this strategy. And we've put in so much work into this particular masterclass videos for you. So we're going to call it FXN Masterclass Trading with Market Makers. And so moving forward, that's what it'll be called. And this will be the final version of the mentoring program. Now, what does that come with essentially? Well, as always, when you join the mentorship program, the access is for a lifetime. So you pay once, you get access to everything, all the videos for free for life. You don't have to repay for taking the course again. You could take it as many times as you want to. You could watch as many videos as you want to. Everything is there for lifetime access. All right. So one price, that's it. The next thing obviously is new course material. This material is all brand new. All right. And it's over 15 hours of content just for the mentoring program itself. All right. I believe the last one was maybe, I think 10 hours or something. So an extra 5 hours we've added of content to this particular course for you guys. What we're going to do is we're going to have weekly live trading sessions. So every week for the duration of the mentoring course, you know, as far as while you're watching the videos, we're going to have weekly sessions either during London or during the US session. One time every week, we'll get together, we'll take a look at the market live, we'll talk about what kind of different setups are possibly there, what I'm thinking about at that time as the setups develop, what I'm looking for from, you know, individual pairs, what pairs would I trade, what pairs would I wouldn't trade, you know, and we can all discuss everything together so you guys can learn. So we'll do that once a week through the duration of the mentoring program. We also do weekly live group sessions. So every Sunday we have sessions where we go over any questions that you might have. And I mean, typically these sessions are about 2 hours long. We'll do back testing. We also do analysis as well. So the next thing that you'll have access to obviously is the group session archives. We're up to like 110 hours of content. That's just mind-blowing to me, like how many hours of content you'll have access to, and the things that are in those videos it's just complete gold nuggets all over the place from the archives of those group sessions. Now obviously we're going to give you guys access to a backtesting journal that has everything laid out for you, so you can start to capture all of your testing and all of your backtesting in this journal, so you could see everything spread out for you and easily be able to help you find essentially what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong when you're backtesting. You're going to get access to MT4 and MT5 custom indicators that we have. So you'll be able to upload those. If you use MT4 and MT5, you'll be able to use those indicators as well. You get access to an actual trading journal. This is where you can record all of your actual live trades that you're taking. So we can start to essentially pick apart your trading behaviors from this journal. So I think it's important for you guys to understand that if you want to do this on a consistent basis, you need to record everything that you're doing, because at the end of the week, you need to look over what is your trading week has been like, and what could you have done better, and what mistakes did you make that week. So hugely important for you to have this, and we'll provide that trading journal for you. Next, we'll have weekly analysis. So every Sunday during the group session, the first thing that we do is we have a weekly analysis. We go over basically all the pairs that we look at, and I tell you my thoughts on what I'm looking for these specific pairs to do for the first half of the week. Now, after that, we actually give you another update midweek, which is Thursday before London session starts. We upload a quick 10-minute video. Again, I go over all the pairs and I tell you what I would be looking for the next 2 days to end the week. So you'll kind of get basically at the beginning of the week what I'm looking for, and then also at the beginning and at the end of the week, you'll know exactly what kind of things I'm looking for these individual pairs. And I'll even tell you sometimes, I don't like these pairs, I wouldn't trade them. I love these pairs, I would trade these instead. So I'm going to give you different things to look at throughout these different analyses that you'll get access to. Now, this, I believe, is hugely important. Trading psychology. Because I don't think a lot of people understand how important trading psychology is when it comes to doing this full time on a consistent basis over years. Because we're not trying to do this for a week or a month. We're literally trying to do this for years. And trading psychology is probably the biggest thing that people don't spend any time on. They don't really understand how to focus their mindset in the trading psychology. We have over 40 hours of content from the best people that know trading psychology. And then finally, you get a private Discord mentoring chat where all of the other students are, old and new. You guys can obviously talk about different trade setups, what you guys think, what are you looking for, things of that nature. So the next class will be going on starting the next FXN Masterclass is going to be August 22nd. Okay, August 22nd, that's when it starts. The sign up, you can sign up for it now. The link is in the description of this video, and we hope to see everyone there. And I promise you're going to get a lot of value from this particular masterclass that we've done for you. All right, guys, that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you. Next week, we're going to do a new series with higher time frame structure that hopefully will bring some value to you if you're looking to swing trade and looking at trading the higher time frames. So hopefully you enjoy that series. Guys, thank you so much and have a great rest of your weekend.